Hello everyone, we from Group 1 would like to do a presentation about PBL English about company profile. We choose the company title our profile is Folex Company. For further discussion, we be presented together. Previously, my name is Jessica Sabat Hapsari Silitama. I'm the moderator on this presentation. And the member's name is Farezi Desnanda, Monica Panjaitan, Sheila Kairunisa, Eni Lestari, and Noviati Indah Prastuwi. We hope that our presentation can happen well and can be useful for other groups. The presentation will continue by Reni Lestari.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for giving me time and place. Will you start my presentation? Forward, we give thanks to the presentation for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has give His grace and guidance so that we can complete this report and title group. One presentation, one time, and without any obstacles. This group 1 presentation contains all the content of the report. This presentation was prepared to complete the Business English 2 assignment. The edition, we hope that this group 1 report can be useful for all parties and become a preference to add insight and know later. Next. Important point. Point 1, company profile. Point 2, vision and mission. Point 3, the difference between wheeling and automotive. Point 4, product of Folex. Next. Story of Folex. Our origin, the art and Goldstone era. The business focus on the manufacture of electronic products was originally established in the Manchester suburbs of Gorton in northwest England in award 108,992 by Mayor Hart Goldstone and James Henry Ward. Folex was not formally incorporated until 1919, when it was registered with Companies House under the name Ward and Goldstone Ltd. That's quite a presentation from me. Thank you. I'm returning to the moderator.
Okay, the presentation will continue by me. This is story of Folex. Evolution into Folex PLC. Although it was by now selling its products around the world, the firm remained a UK-centered, family-run company for most of the 20th century. However, following a series of difficult years financially, and after the last members of the Goldstone family left the board of directors, the company changed its name in 1984 to Folex Group plc and began attaching the Folex brand name to most of its individual operations, later becoming simply Folex plc in 2011. From 2015, since 2015, when the current executive management team took over after a series of difficult years for the company, Folex has once again become a profitable, expanding and acquisitive business. The group has acquired 10 businesses since 2018, and through its ownership of GTK is now manufacturing in the UK again after a gap of over 10 years. And this is a company profile. PT Volex Indonesia is a cable assembly software company ranging from electronic components, telecommunication, data centers, media equipment to the automotive industry located in the Sekupang Industrial Estate. Cable assembly supplier company ranging from electronic components, telecommunication, data centers, media equipment to the automotive industry. This company has distributed to the export of electronic software needed by international brands such as Philips, Epson, Universal, Siemens, MV, Panasonic to Yamaha. For expansion purpose, the company is located in the of Skupang and is a cable assembly software ranging from electronic components, telecommunication, data centers, media equipment to the automotive industry. Okay, the presentation will continue by Novianti Indakrasti.
Okay, thanks to the moderators for giving me time and place. Well, I'll start my presentation. Company profile. Address in Jalan Kawasan Sekupang, Industry, number 18, Sungai Harapan, Kecamatan Sekupang, Batam City, Riau Island. Company email address, volbat.recruitment@volex.com. Fax 0778 4033000. This Volex doesn't have website or link. Salary for operators, the salary level is Batam UMK. Job vacancy, assistant CB manager, senior process engineer, NPI or product design engineer, senior HR supervisor, failure analysis engineer, planner, direct buyer, and production operator. Next. PT Volex have vision and mission, and the vision is to be the world's leading independent supplier of electrical, electronic, and optical fiber cable assemblies. And the mission is to continuously improve our world-class reputation for global delivery of quality products and service on time. Next. Indifference between wiring and automotive. In the 1990s, PT Volex is only engaged in wiring, but now the company is engaged in the automotive sector. Before going to the next step, about examples of products made by PT Volex Indonesia, we will show a little information about wiring and automotive. Wiring is a way of structuring and managing cables in a computer network that is supported by several security tools, so that the cable can look neat and safe in the long run. This is a wiring type. First, NYM cable. Next is NYY cable, HIS cable, NYAF cable, NYYHY cable, NYMHY cable, NYMHYO cable, and the last is BC cable. That's quite a presentation from me. Thank you. I'm returning it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Novi. Now the presentation will continue by Sheila Kairunisa.
Okay, thanks to the moderators for giving me time and place.
Well, I will start my presentation. The difference between wiring and automotive. Automotive cables or auto cables are cables that have specifications that are tailored to the needs of vehicles in general, namely having a working voltage of 12 per 24 DC volts. By definition, the automotive industry is to design, develop, manufacture, and market. The automotive industry is included in the manufacturing sector of national economic growth. The difference between automotive cables and electrical cable is first voltage, second the insulator, and third single cable use. Next, this is the product of Olex. First, NYA type cable is a cable with a core made of a single copper material and coated with a single layer of PVC insulator. This type of cable is usually used for residential installations and aerial cable installations. If you want to use a NEA cable, it should be equipped with a shield such as a PVC pipe. Next. NYM cable has a double layer of insulation, so the level of security is better than NYA cable. The price is more expensive than NYIA. This type of NYM cable is only recommended specifically for fixed installations in buildings where the placement is usually outside or inside walls or inside pipes conduit. Next. Round flexible cables are widely used from small to large size. The advantage is that it is very flexible, so it is suitable for applications that require bend scrolls, etc., that are mobile or repetitive movements. That's quite a presentation from me. Thank you. I'm returning it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Sheila. Now the presentation will continue by Farezi Desnanda.
Thank you to Jessica. Next, I will presentation. Flat fixed product of Folex. Flat flexible cable or FFC refers to various types of electrical cable that are flat and flexible with flat solid conductor. Flexible flat cable is a kind of flexible electronic. Next. This type of cable has a greater thickness of PVC skin. The cable can withstand a voltage of 600 volt. This UL 161 semi-rigid PVC insulation wire has passed UL VW1 and UL GSA FT1. Rated temperature 80 and rated voltage 300 volt. The insulation of this product is PVC. It also complies with RoHS and rich environmental standards. Conductors use solid or standard tinted or bare copper. Uniform insulation thickness to ensure easy stripping and cutting is the advantage of this product. That is all for me. I return it to Jessica.
Thank you to Farezi for delivering the closing material for our presentation. That's our presentation. If there is a word error, please forgive us. Hopefully, our presentation can be useful for all. Thank you.